In a move that is poised to invigorate one of India's most trusted strategic partnerships, French President Emmanuel Macron will embark on a 4-day visit to India beginning Monday, February 16, 2026, signaling a renewed momentum in bilateral defense cooperation. At the heart of this high-level engagement will be ambitious plans for joint manufacturing initiatives, including helicopters and Hammer precision-guided missiles. Setting the stage for the presidential visit, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will co-chair the 6th India-France Annual Defense Dialogue alongside his French counterpart, Catherine Vautrin. The two ministers are also set to witness the virtual inauguration of the H125 light utility helicopter final assembly line of Tata Airbus in Karnataka. The facility is being set up by the Tata Advanced Systems and Airbus and will be India's first private sector helicopter manufacturing unit. It is expected to deliver its first helicopter in 2027. The locally assembled H125 is intended for both domestic and regional markets and may also be offered to Indian Armed Forces for light multi-role operations, including high-altitude missions alongside the Himalayan frontier. PM Modi and President Macron are likely to announce a major deal for 114 Rafale fighter jets under the Make in India initiative, as New Delhi accelerates its military modernization. The leaders will also discuss expanding defense industrial collaboration through technology transfer and joint production. Now, let me tell you, France is currently India's second largest defense supplier, and that partnership is set to widen into areas such as nuclear energy and artificial intelligence. Defense cooperation has been a central pillar of India-France relations for decades now. This partnership has gained remarkable momentum in recent years, strengthened by sustained high-level political engagement and by expanding framework of the military cooperation. PM Modi had graced France's Bastille Day parade as guest of honor back in 2023, while President Emmanuel Macron attended India's Republic Day celebrations as the chief guest in 2024. Operational collaboration between the two nations' armed forces remains robust and dynamic. Now, the forthcoming dialogue in Bengaluru, scheduled to be held on February 17, unfolds against the backdrop of an expanding defense partnership marked by ambitious new frontiers of cooperation. Among the most significant is the ongoing engagement on manufacturing advanced fighter aircraft engines in India, a move that could substantially elevate indigenous defense capabilities and technological self-reliance. Further underscoring this momentum, India's Defense Ministry earlier this week approved a proposal to acquire 114 Rafale fighter jets from France in a deal estimated at rupees 3.25 lakh crores as per officials, one of the most substantial defense procurements in recent years. As both nations align their capabilities and ambitions, the trajectory of cooperation points towards a long-term vision rooted in joint production, innovation, and shared security interests. We will be bringing you more updates on these bilateral discussions and more news and updates from around the world. Stay tuned and do let us know what you think about this video in the comment section below.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to ET Now.